In this problem, we are going to learn about what is super mesh. So find mesh currents using mesh analysis method. So how many meshes are there? There are three meshes are there. Mesh 1, mesh 2, mesh 3. Now I have to apply KVL for this. So I know this is a voltage source 60 volts. This is I can find the current. Here current I1 into 5 amps is the 5 ohms is the voltage here. But while writing KVL, I don't know what is the resistance of this. So I cannot apply KVL for mesh 1. Similarly, while writing KVL for mesh 2 also, I don't know resistance of this current source. So I cannot apply KVL for mesh 1 and mesh 2. Three meshes are there. Three equations are required. Out of the two, I cannot write here. I can apply KVL for mesh 3 because voltage source is there, resistance is there. So only one equations I can write here, but another two equations are required. So if you have like this problem, then the solution is you have to combine two meshes. You have to combine two meshes. So a super mesh is one which is formed by combining two meshes sharing common current source. Here 5 amp is the current source. It is shared by two meshes I1 and I3. Mesh 1 is this, mesh 2 is this. This 5 amp is in between these two. So I can combine these two and I can form a super mesh. You can see here red color. That is a super mesh. And I can apply KVL for the super mesh. So in the super mesh path, you see resistance is there, resistance and voltage. So I can write KVL for the super mesh. So second equation is over. One more equations I should get. So how to get the third equation? Because three unknown variables, three equations are required. How to get third equation? So from this diagram, I can write here, I can write directly I can write one equation. See the direction of the current. 5 amps is going upwards. 5 amp is going upwards. I1 is coming downwards. I1 is coming downwards. I2 is going upwards. And 5 amps direction is mapping with I2. Because I2 is going up, 5 amps is going up. So I can directly write I2 minus I1. I can directly write I2 minus I1 is equal to 5 amps. I2 minus I1, you can see here, I2 minus I1 is equal to 5 amp. I can directly write. Suppose direction of the current 5 amp is given downwards. If it is given downwards, then it was mapping with I1. So I can write I1 minus I2 is equal to 5. But in this problem, this 5 amps is mapping with I2. So I can write I2 minus I1 is equal to 5 amps. So always while writing in the calculator, you should write coefficient of I1 first. So at the time of calculator, you may in hurry. So you may get confusion. So first here only you can write I1 minus I1 plus I2 is equal to 5. Okay, because in a hurry you may consider this was I1, this is I2. So you can write minus I1 plus I2 is equal to 0. And we combined equation number 1 and 2. So one equation we got, two more equation is required. So I can apply KVL for super mesh. While applying KVL for super mesh is very important concept. While applying KVL for super mesh, you have to consider what are the original current flowing in the elements. In the 5 amps, if you're taking a drop, you have to consider I1. While taking a drop across 2 ohms, you have to consider I2. Okay. In this mesh 2, you have to consider I2. So I am writing KVL for mesh. For this problem, you cannot apply inspection method and all. So you have to write KVL only. Okay. While applying KVL for super mesh now, while applying KVL for super mesh, so start from 5. It is in the 5 we have, so 5 while writing KVL for mesh super mesh 5 into I1 because only one current is flowing because it is at the edge. So only one current, that is I1. In the 2 ohms, only I2 because it is also at the edge. 2 into I2. While writing KVL, what are the original currents? In the 5 ohms, only I1. In the 2 ohms, I2. And in the 6, so while writing KVL for mesh, super mesh, so you have to consider this is plus, minus, plus, minus, this plus, minus. So plus 6 into I2 minus I3. 6 into I2 minus I3. 6 into I2 minus I3, and this is minus plus. So minus 60 is equal to 0. And simplify, you'll get 5I1 plus 8I2 minus 6I3 is equal to 60. 5I1, 2I2 plus 6I2, 8I2 minus 6I3 is equal to 60. This 60, bring it to right side. Become. So equation number is over. Equation number 2 is over. Three equations are required. Now apply KVL for mesh 3. Plus minus. This is plus minus plus minus. So start from any one you can start. Here it is started from 6. Okay. You can start from 3 also. You can start from 50 also. Same equation. But one complete circle you have to write. 6. While writing KVL for mesh 3, you have to assume I3 is greater. So 6 I3 minus I2. 6 I because two currents are flowing. It is not at the edge. It is between two meshes. So I3 minus I2. 3 in this 3 it is at the edge. Only one current I3. 6 plus 3 I3. It is plus 2 minus plus 50 is equal to 0. After simplification, minus 6I2, 6I3 plus 3I3 is 9I3. This plus 50, if you bring it to right side, minus 50. So three equations we got. Now I can solve three equations using a calculator. I'll enter fast. So equation number 1, please. That's why I told. In hurry, you will write this as 1. What is the coefficient of minus I1? Sorry, I1 is minus 1. Coefficient of I1 you have to enter first. So minus 1 you have to write. Minus 1 is equal to, next I2 coefficient is 1. The coefficient is 1. There is no I3 term, so 0. And right side value is 5. Next second equation, 5, 8, minus 6, 60. Third equation, minus 6. Sorry, again I made mistake here. It is 0 I1. 0 I1. I can write here. I can write here 0 I1. Again here also I can write plus 0 I3. Okay. 0 I1 minus 6 I2 plus 9 I3 is equal to minus 50. If I click is equal to x, you will get x is nothing but the first unknown variable. It is I1, which is 0.74. Y is nothing but I2, which is 5.74. Z is nothing but third unknown variable, which is I3. So you have to write unit. Currents units are amps. A means amps. Second equation. Second problem. Let us do second problem. This is also super mesh. Find current through each meshes using the super mesh analysis. Okay. How many meshes are there? Three meshes. Okay. Mesh 1, mesh 2, mesh 3. You can write mesh 1. This is mesh 2. Third one is mesh 3. All are clockwise only. Mesh 1, mesh 2, mesh 3. Okay. I cannot apply KVL for mesh 1 because there is a current source. I cannot apply KVL for mesh 2 because there is a current source. I cannot apply KVL for mesh 3 because there is a current source. Then how to solve this problem? Three meshes means three equations are required. I cannot write for any one. So solution is you have to go for super mesh. First identify where is the super mesh. And the super mesh is between mesh 2, I mean this is mesh 1, this is mesh 2. Between mesh 1 and mesh 2 there is a 8 times current source. So I can combine these two to form a super mesh. And I can directly write, see the direction of the current it is mapping. I1 is coming down, I2 is going up. I2 is mapping with 8 amps direction. So I can write I2 minus I1. I2 minus I1 is equal to 8 amps. I2 minus I1 is equal to 8 amps. And that is equation number 1. Still two more equations is required. And see the third mesh. In the third mesh, it is at the edge and it belongs to I3 mesh 3 only. So I can directly tell that I3 is equal to minus 2. I3 is equal to minus 2. Why it is minus 2? See, I3 is clockwise. I3 is clockwise because in the mesh analysis I told you follow all the currents are clockwise only. So, but it is going opposite to the I3 assumed direction. So it is my I3 is equal to minus 2. Suppose I2 is given right side, then you can write I3 is equal to plus 2. Here it is opposite, so I3 is equal to minus 2. So one equation is over, second equation is over. We read three unknown means three equations are required. Now two is over. One more equation you can apply by writing KVL for super mesh. So this is write KVL for super mesh plus minus you consider here plus minus plus minus, and you have to consider original current I1 and I2 in these two elements. Start from 1 on. So 1 into, okay, 1 into I1 minus I3, because in 1 ohm two currents are flowing, I1 and I3. 1 into I1 minus I3, 3 into I2 minus I3, 3 into I2 minus I3, because here you have to consider I2. 3 into I2 minus I3, 4 into only I2, 4 into only I2, and in this mesh minus 2 plus is there, so minus 24 is equal to 0, and simplify 1 I1, 7 I2, 3 I2 plus 4 I2 is 7 I2, minus I3 minus 3 I3, this 4 minus 4 I3, plus minus 24 if you bring it to right side. So now third equation is also over. Now you can solve these three equations. So I can write three unknown variables. This I can write, okay, I will show you. This I can write 0 I1 plus 0 I2 plus 1 I3 is equal to minus 2. This I can write minus 1 I1 plus 1 I2 plus 0 I3 is equal to 8. So these three equations I can solve using calculator. Okay, equation number 1, coefficient of one is minus 1, 1, 0 is equal to 8. Second equation 1, 7 minus 4 equal to 24. Third equation 0, 0, 1, minus 2. If you click these three datas in a matrix, automatically it will give XYZ, which is same as unknown variables I1, I2, I3. So expected answer I1 should be minus 5 amps, Y is 3 amps, Z is minus 2 amps. Okay.